True yoga is not about the shape of your body, but the shape of your life. Yoga is not to be performed. Yoga is to be lived. Yoga doesn't care about what you have been. Yoga cares about the person you are becoming. Yoga is not about touching your toes, it's about what you learn on the way down. Yoga is the ultimate practice. It simultaneously stimulates our inner light and quiets our overactive minds. Yoga begins with listening. When we listen, we are giving space to what is. The success of yoga does not lie in the ability to perform postures, but in how it positively changes the way we live our life and our relationships. Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. Calming the mind is yoga, not just standing on the head. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. If you seek peace, be still. If you seek wisdom, be silent. If you seek love, be yourself. There is always room for change, but you have to be open to that change. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Yoga is a way of moving into stillness in order to experience the truth of who you are. The attitude of gratitude is the highest yoga. Yoga is the stilling of the changing states of the mind. Sometimes the most important thing in a whole day is the rest we take between two deep breaths. Yoga teaches you how to listen to your body. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Yoga does not always cure stress. It neutralizes it through increasing awareness and by changing self-perception. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. You may not be able to control the whole world, but you may learn to control your inner world through yoga.